In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add a network printer using its host name or IP address here in Windows. Whether it's 11, 10, doesn't necessarily matter. But before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you are connected to the same network as the printer that you have its IP address or host name ready. After you do have that, go ahead and select the search bar down at the very bottom and type in control panel and open that up. From here, you're going to see a few different options. Go ahead and select hardware and sound. And from here, go ahead and go into the devices and printers option right here. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. On Windows 11, it may open up a slightly different view. If it does, scroll down until you see the devices tab and then go ahead and scroll down even further until you see the more devices and printer settings. After clicking on that, you'll be in the exact same page as what Windows 10 would give you. But essentially, once you're in here, you're going to want to select add printer, and then select the printer that I want wasn't listed down here. From here, go ahead and choose add a printer using its IP address or host name, and then select next, and type in the host name or IP address right here, and then hit next again. After you do that, you just gotta wait a moment and Windows is going to automatically detect and add your printer, but that is it. You can now print directly to it. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm gonna be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.